So now this we're gonna block in some white here. For now, let's leave this. Actually, let's make it slightly darker. The tip, we can divide the tip now right here. This, we're gonna make it a little bit lighter. So also think of this, when you go skiing, right, you forget your sunblock at home, you get burned. Top of the head if you're bald, or if you don't have a hat. Here, you burn the tip of the nose, the upper part of the lips, the chin. That's because the sun hits there directly. So that's where you get burned. The parts that are more exposed toward the light, right? So this is also light. The upper lip is also light. The chin here, we can also break it down in segment like this, right? And the tip of the chin is going to be direct a little bit toward the light, right? Not much necessarily. So now here we have just blocking the side plane. This is all the side plane. And this is all the side plane like this. And we can keep it relatively flat. But maybe here we start hinting a little bit of a dark value, right? Because this from here, it changes direction, start going like that. Here instead, we have dark. We made that lighter, right? Maybe you leave it the value of the paper, and this goes down dark. That. And this is now the darkest part of the core shadow. This is the chin, darker. That's the pillars of the mouth, darker. And this is the upper lip, also dark, because the upper lip moves in. So the side of the nose, we can leave it. So light, the top of the nostrils, sorry, of the wing of the nose. The side we leave it like that, and the bottom we make it darker. So we start seeing this change of direction of the planes. Here we can have this a little bit dark, just because we want to differentiate it from the rest. Here a little bit darker. So this, so the zygomatic bone is oriented at an angle like this. See that? So we might want to put here a little bit of a darker value, but not as dark as the side. So now here we have the nasal fur, which is a fold. It's going to make it thin. And then here we also have the node, which is a little bump, right? Like that. And of course, this part in here is going to be the shadow too. So I'm going to block in the red. Sorry, the black over the red. So next to this, now we're going to put the side view, and we're going to see the plane of the head on the side view.